Honey is a delicious and versatile natural sweetener that has been used for thousands of years. It's produced by bees from the nectar of flowers and is a staple in many households around the world. Not only is honey delicious, but it also has several health benefits. Let's take a closer look at how honey can be a healthy addition to your morning tea. Honey is a great alternative to processed sugar. It contains natural sugars and has a lower glycemic index, which means it won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. It's also rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Adding a teaspoon of honey to your morning tea is a great way to start your day on a healthy note. When it comes to honey harvesting, it's important to understand the process. Honey is produced by bees, and beekeeping is a common practice in farmland and rural areas. The bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their hives. The nectar is then broken down by enzymes in the bees' stomachs and turned into honey. Beekeepers harvest honey by removing frames from the hives that are filled with honeycomb. The honey is then extracted from the comb using a centrifuge or other extraction methods. Many farmers keep other animals such as goats and sheep that produce milk, which can be used to make cheese and other dairy products. These animals often feed on the same flowers that bees collect nectar from, which can give their milk a unique and delicious flavor. Honey is a healthy and delicious addition to your morning tea. Its natural sweetness and health benefits make it a great alternative to processed sugar. Furthermore, understanding the process of honey harvesting helps us appreciate the hard work of the bees and the farmers who care for them. So the next time you enjoy a cup of tea with honey, take a moment to savor the taste and appreciate all the hard work that goes into producing this delicious treat.